Hoovering is the insidious whisper of a past connection, designed to pull you back into a manipulative orbit through false sentiment or manufactured crisis. It preys on empathy, transforming memory into a weapon for renewed control. Stoicism teaches us to discern what is truly within our. To confront hoovering stoically is to recognize its futility, to withhold emotional investment from what is external and uncontrollable. We sever the invisible chains by choosing non-engagement and reaffirming our sovereign will. True freedom lies not in the absence of manipulative attempts, but in our unyielding commitment to reason,